Hello viewers, in previous class we were discussing about the series data structure of Python Pandas library. Series is what? Series is actually it is a one-dimensional data structure of Python Pandas library which consists of only one column. Okay, we can easily create series by different methods by using dictionary or by using nested list or simply list. We can easily create it. Now in today's tutorial, let's see another very popular data structure of Python Pandas library, and it is data frame. So data frame is what? Data frame is actually it is a two-dimensional 2D array like a structure. It is a data structure defined in pandas which consists of rows and columns. Okay. So if you will see that data frame, you will find it has some rows and some columns. So here you can see I am creating data frames by different methods. So in first method I am creating a data frame by providing two different dictionaries. In second method, I am creating a data frame by series, and in third example, I am creating a data frame by using two different nested lists. Okay. So here, in first example, you can see I have created dictionary 1, and in dictionary, you already knows that in dictionary there are some key value pairs. So in first dictionary, there are three key value pairs. In second dictionary, four key value pairs, and in third dictionary, I am providing dictionary 1 as the value to this key A, and in this key value pair, I am providing the dictionary 2 as the value to this key B. Okay, and here I am creating a data frame with variable df. Df is equal to pd dot data frame. This is the function. Okay, this is the function name, data frame, D capital F capital, and this function comes in pandas library, and in this function I am providing this dictionary that I have already created earlier. Now let's do it practically. Okay, so here I have already imported pandas library in our program, and one dictionary 1 I have already created, and I am creating another dictionary number 2. Let's copy it, paste. Okay, and I am changing its name to dictionary 2 is equal to A B C. Okay, and in this dictionary I am adding one more key value pair, D is equal to D. This is key, and it is its related value. Suppose it's 6. Okay, so in dictionary 1 there are 3 key value pairs, and in dictionary 2 there are 4 key value pairs. And here I am creating another dictionary with name data. Data is equal to here you can see I am creating two keys, the key A, and to this key I am providing actually dictionary 1 as the value, and in second key value pair to this B key I am providing dictionary 2 as the value. Okay, and now I am creating a data frame object df. Df is equal to pd dot, and I am using function name pd dot data frame, D capital F capital, data frame, and in this function I am providing the data dictionary. Okay, and here I am printing df data frame. So let's see what happened. Okay, here you can see a data frame has been created with name df, and in this data frame there are two columns. Here you can see the column number A, and this is column number B. Okay, and these are the rows A, B, C, D. 4 rows are here because in dictionaries we have provided 4 values. Actually in dictionary 1 there are only 3 values, but in dictionary 4, dictionary 2 there are 4 values. So since this D key value pair is not exist in the first array, first dictionary, so that's why a NaN value is displaying here. Okay, NaN means not a number because NaN is not here. Okay, D is not here in a dictionary one, so that's why NaN value is displaying here. And these are the values. These are the values of B dictionary. 1, 2, 3, 6. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 6, and in A 1, 2, 3, and NaN. This is 1, 2, 3, and NaN. So this is the simple method in which you can easily create a data frame by using two different dictionaries. Now let's see another method. We can also create data frame by using series. Okay, so here you can see in this example I am creating a data frame by using series. So, in this example I have already created three different series, S1, S2, and S3. Okay, and in data dictionary I am providing S1 series to key A, S2 series to key B, and S3 series to key C. And when I provide this data dictionary to this data frame function, then what will happen? A data frame will be created just like this. Okay, so let's do it also practically. Firstly, we have to create three different series. S1 is equal to, how we can create series? We have already discussed in previous class. S1 is equal to PD dot. We will use PD dot series function. PD dot series function, and in this function, by providing a list, we can easily create a series. Okay. So here, suppose my values are 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is first series. Now I am creating series number 2. Series number 2 is equal to PD dot. I am again using PD dot series function. PD dot series, and in this series function I am giving another list 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 0. Here you can see in first series I am using 4 values, and in series 2 I am using 3 to 5 values. Okay. Now I am creating S3. S3 is equal to PD dot series function, and this time I am giving a list having some string values. A, this is A, this is B, C. Okay, and I am creating another dictionary. Oh, sorry, what I am created here. Okay, dictionary. So data, which is a dictionary object. So data is equal to, I am creating a dictionary with object data, and in this dictionary I am using three key value pairs. Okay, so this is first key value pair, and to this key A I am providing S1 as the value. In second key value pair to key B I am providing S2 series as the value, and to key C I am providing S3 as the key, and then I am creating a df object, data frame object df, with name df. PD dot data frame function I am using, and in this function I am just providing the dictionary data that I have already created above. Okay, and let's print it. Print df. Okay, here you can see data frame has been created, and in this data frame there are three columns, the column A, column B, column C, because I have created three different key value pairs in data dictionary, so that's why the column names are A, B, C. And uh, in these columns the number of rows are what? 5 rows. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4, these are the rows. This is the column A. In column A, what are the values? 1 2 3 4. Here you can see 1 2 3 4. And since in fourth row there is no any value, so that's why NaN value is here. In B column, you can see in B what are the values? 66790, 66790. Okay, no problem. And in column C, here you can see these are the values A, B, C. And since 3 and 4th rows there are no values here, so that's why NaN value is displaying here. Okay, so this is the method. By using series, you can also create a data frame. So in this today's class, we have learned how we can create a data frame by using dictionary or by series. Okay, thank you.